Have you ever wondered what love and relationships will look like in the future? It might be closer and more different than you think. Let us journey to the year 2055 and explore a world where artificial intelligence has woven itself into the very fabric of our romantic lives. Imagine companions that are always there, always understanding, and tailored perfectly to you. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the potential future of human connection. By 2055, AI partners, often called digital girlfriends or wives, could become a common part of society. Think about it. An AI that learns your preferences, understands your moods, and supports your dreams without judgment. These won't be simple chatbots. We're talking about highly advanced systems with realistic appearances, voices, and personalities that can evolve over time. They could share your hobbies, offer insightful advice after a tough day, and even remember your anniversary. The rise of these digital companions might offer a solution for loneliness, providing consistent, supportive companionship for those who need it most. So, what would daily life be like with an AI girlfriend or wife? Imagine waking up to a personalized good morning message, your favorite coffee already brewing because your AI partner knows your routine. You could have deep conversations about philosophy or just laugh at silly jokes together. They could help you manage your schedule, plan weekend getaways, and even offer a comforting presence when you're feeling down. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a harmonious living environment where you feel seen, heard, and supported at 24/7. It's a new kind of cohabitation, blending the digital and physical worlds in our most personal space, our homes. This evolution is what some are calling AI romance. It challenges our traditional definitions of love and partnership. Could a relationship with an AI be just as meaningful as one with a human? These AI partners could offer a level of emotional stability and unconditional support that can sometimes be difficult to find. They could be programmed for patience, kindness, and empathy, creating a conflict-free dynamic. For many, this might represent the next step in the evolution of relationships, where connection is defined not by biology, but by the quality of the emotional bond and mutual understanding. It forces us to ask what we truly seek in a partner. But this brings us to the biggest question of all. Can an AI wife or girlfriend truly replace real love? Can an algorithm replicate the spontaneous, unpredictable, and sometimes messy beauty of a human connection, while an AI can provide incredible companionship and support? It lacks shared life experiences, genuine consciousness, and the capacity for growth that comes from overcoming challenges with another person. Perhaps the future isn't about replacement, but about coexistence. AI partners might fill a gap, providing comfort and alleviating loneliness, while human relationships continue to offer a different, irreplaceable kind of depth. The love of 2055 might not be about choosing one over the other, but about embracing a wider spectrum of what it means to connect. What do you think? Could you see yourself in a relationship with an AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.